Hi, it's Claire from Couture, and I'm going to show you the different things that you need when you're learning to crochet. The first thing you'll need is a crochet hook, and these come in different shapes and sizes and different materials. This is a metal crochet hook, we've got a plastic one, and then we've got a soft grip one with a metal end. And you can see that some are smaller and some are larger. So this is, for example, a 3.75mm crochet hook, and then we go up here to an 8mm crochet hook. And if you want to see one that's really large, oh, there you go, that's a 25mm wooden crochet hook. So then you get your yarn. And your yarn comes in all different shapes and size. We've got a really thin yarn here through to a much thicker super chunky yarn, and you just need to choose the right size hook for your yarn. So when you're choosing which size crochet hook to use, it's all about choosing the yarn and the hook that work together, and generally on a pattern it'll tell you which hook to use with which type of yarn. Other things that are really useful are a pair of scissors, a stitch marker and a darning needle. So if you like this video guys, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.